Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked 2023.
So we had the S23 by S23 plus here by and S23 Ultra na. Ko design wise, uhu ye na no as a baako eyi ne ho. One of the phones no miensa na aba no. Baako bi yi ne ho a obi ehu ye no na na adwene course first.
And the F
Which is the S23 Ultra. Kama pa ko. Na this year device no and the last year dear no changes a womb no is yes is uyi a trainer or mama camera no as a peak a section last year dear no this year camera bump no as a page a section last year dear no and apart from a trainer as a ma flatten the pana ko so we free wa last year external features in America difference a womb no ewo form kakra but so ko inside India engine nimu dia nche se niema ewo soropa ewo engine nim because already this year device buy ya you see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and edem all the three devices ni nyina no eyesa chipset and edem na ohwema this year de no ko se oyobi a ota phone na ide memory card shima be disappointed kakra because this year smartphone ya Samsung de buy me ensa na mo de buy ni nyina no ebie ni ho betumi de memory card e de ashim na apart from the S23 na no started from 128 gig no and the internal storage na 128 gig na the memory no started free 8 no so about the S23 plus na and also RAM no start free 8 and also 8 na mpo any other variant but the internal storage is start free 256 gig but so call the Ultra na intermaker se de bia Ultra na eyi no ho Ultra no internal storage no start free 256 gig and the RAM no start free 8 gig now so this Ultra you betumi anya the other version the RAM no 12 gig inti Ultra no eyi no pa but so call the camera side nso a Ultra no camera na 200 megapixel ko 200 megapixel na obetumi twa 8K video ko
from 4K to 8K
8K obetumi twa video with the phone no Samsung Galaxy S23 series ya abe obetumi de twa 8K videos na 8K videos no for the Ultra no betumi de twa at 24 frames and at 30 frames per second. Samsung no betumi twa 4K videos at 30 frames and at 60 frames per second. Na oye no free one so the plus no so betumi twa 8K videos at 24 frames and 30 frames per second. Now you see problem me mo kakra ne say. So we the S23 ni say ya. Internal memory also me catch you say and use external storage ultimate for memory card in shame ebia but so here the S23 baako internal storage 128 ko na imagine say phone to record the 8K video so the 8K o person try 8K video o person try 8K video for even 10 minutes 20 minutes 40 minutes in point ko this 128 internal storage enche esubema nti bia even say we twa video ne be 3 times e bia 10 minutes videos bi we twa ne be 10 times and say 20 times ko seriously one hwe year na phone so aye mantem entinka camera quality no e kosoro no e wo senka storage no so no e improve so e konanim so your phone Samsung for release 2019 which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. Note 10 Plus ne buy ko na internal storage 256 na the RAM 12 gig. And net 2023 Samsung release S series ne RAM 8 gig na internal 128. Though RAM version don't use no a bit man very fast but ko enka omuma no to me call a check akra ma ya bia nka betumi aboa na over the battery side na the S23 Ultra battery 5000 mAh and the aka no the plus no 4700 mAh and the S23 na kasa 3900 milliamp. Enti saa phone si na babako obi be busa se sisi a wo to ne sen. The busa se sisi a the price no da sen. Say uyo obi a opese oto saa smartphone si a Samsung semi kan kire o say a 17th February almost started a ship e dey call out. Now the prices no ko the S23 no $799. $799. Odi e fan say $800 because $1 na fees no enkawe. Fan say $800. $800 odi ba Ghana is kemu na. Meme bank 12.5. Meme bank $10, $1 at 12.5.
Okay.
And this all the back Ghana is kemu a. We are talking about ABR 9,600 to 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Per phone no.
That is the S23 no.
Diaba hofui.
Yes, and S23 plus no. $999.
So $1,000.
And on the fancy $1,000. Into no best 12,500. 12.5. Maybe 12,000 Ghana cedis. And at the ultra no, the amount for be brainy war hono. 1199. Which is $1,200 fans. I will run it up at $1,200. I know so no, bear say 15,000 Ghana cedis. Now the order to him. Okay. We'll be on part of the house. Oh, excuse us, Tatima. Not a down sim.